Check out this Ram 2019 3500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: tires LT275/70R18 EBSWS, STD, spray and bed liner, gross vehicle weight, 12,300 pounds, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, gross vehicle weight, 12,300 pounds, current generation engine controller, diesel exhaust brake, Ram active air heavy-duty engine, cooling capless fuel fill with O discriminator, Cummins turbo diesel badge, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries, supplemental heater, selective catalytic reduction, area, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, chrome appearance group included, matte black mesh with chrome grille, bright rear bumper, bright front bumper, chrome grille surround, diesel gray black HD vinyl.